Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the all-weather portfolio, and make sure you watch to the end of the video and I'll show you how to make this portfolio using just ETFs. So as you can see from right here, the all-weather portfolio didn't perform as well as the S&P 500, but that's not the point of the all-weather portfolio. The point of the all-weather portfolio is it's consistent over time. If you look at it on the graph, you can see that its worst year was only 5%, and that's really good for any portfolio just to be at 5%. The all-weather portfolio was created by Ray Dalio, but it was made famous by Tony Robbins in his book Money Master the Game. If you want to check that book out, there will be a link in the description. It's a really good book, and it goes into a lot of detail about this portfolio and why it performs so well. The first position and largest position in this portfolio is long-term bonds. The second position is 30% in stocks. And watch till the end and I'll show you exactly what ETFs to use for each of these positions. Moving on, we have 15% in intermediate bonds. We have gold, which is at 7.5%, and we also have 7.5% in commodities. And I'll show you exactly what ETFs to use in just a little bit, but I've got one more thing before I show you that, and that's if you do want to build this portfolio using ETFs, I would recommend Webull, because Webull is a great platform to start with, and it gives you 4 free stocks just for signing up, and the link will be in the description if you want your 4 free stocks. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what ETFs to use for each of these positions. So for the 40% long-term bonds, I would recommend using iShares 20-plus year treasury bonds. Then for the 30% in stocks, I would recommend using Vanguard's total stock market index. And for the 15% intermediate bonds, I would use iShares 7 to 10 year treasury bonds. And then for the 7.5% in gold, I would recommend using the SPDR gold shares. And for the 7.5% in commodities, I would recommend using PowerShares DB Commodity Index Tracking Fund. And if you guys want to, you can find your own, but I mean, these are some of the best for each of those. But if you find different ones or even better ones, I mean, you could put those in there. This is not the only things you can choose. And also, if you guys do have any questions about this, or any questions about the economy or finances in general, just let me know in the comment section, and if it's a tough question, I'll answer it I'll make a video answering it. If it's an easy question, I'll get back to you. I'll respond to everyone who leaves a comment in the comments section. And if you guys want to stay up to date on all the business, economic, and financial news going on in the world, make sure you subscribe to this channel and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.